I hope this video finds you well. Interesting topic today. Most businesses don't necessarily have a marketing problem. They have a clarity problem. You don't necessarily need more funnels, more ads, more consultants. You need to focus. You need clear products, clear offers, and clear messaging. The bridge between sales and marketing is simple. Marketing answers multiple questions, but they answer what the product is. Who is it for and why does it exist? Giving you targets, giving you the ability to push. Sales answers directly, do you have this? How fast can I get it? What does it cost? How does it solve the problem? How do you create value? What does it value to me and my life? If your marketing's vague, sales struggle. If sales improvises, marketing fails. All you really need to do is bridge them with product-specific content. Simplify and attack. And that framework is relatively simple in theory. What do we have to offer? List it clearly. What is it? Describe it in one sentence. What does it have? The bullet features. Do you have this? Yes or no? That's it. No fluff. In a real world example, let me give you one that I saw just today. Reebok Solutions is a new company out of North Alabama. They recreate and basically rebuild containers into deployable office solutions. They build custom modular workspace environment. So all you need to say is this: we have 20-foot plug and play offices, 40-foot multi-purpose offices. And then right now, currently in inventory, we have a cabana unit. Okay, for that piece of content, it needs to be a 20-foot office. And then it has this feature. So it's insulated, has HVAC, has an electrical package, windows, lockable steel door, ready for hookups and direct deployment. In stock, we have 5 units, say. Ready today to be put on the back of a truck and sent to you. That's bridging marketing with your sales content. Now, another really good example would be Safety Shelter. This is a complex company that's been in business for 30 years. They are experts in this shelter space. They make commercial and residential. Their commercial shelters can be anywhere from 26 occupants to 900. Or mobile, they're 96 occupants per mobile shelter. But with the residentials, the smallest they can build is a 4x5, which has 6-person occupants. 3 square feet per occupant based on FEMA guidelines. So what is it, right? It's an above ground ICC 500 compliant inward opening door storm shelter. That's the 4x5. And they exclusively, especially on the residential side, only build inward opening doors. That's why they can't go smaller than a 4x5. And the reason is debris from a house. If a home comes down around it, a wood beam comes down and traps you in your own shelter, right? Okay, so all you really need to do is, what is it? It's a 4x5 residential shelter. U.S. steel-based construction. We build it on site. It's got a heavy locking system, inward opening door, anchor system that we install ourselves from start to finish. We build them, we install them, we come to your house and do it. And the occupancy rating is 3 square feet per occupant. So for the 4x5, it's 6 people. Do we have it? Yes. And they're built in North Alabama. That's the content that bridges everything. Then a piece of content can very simply be why we only do a 4x5. or the smallest we can do is a 4x5 based on an inward opening door. Now, in the medical space with Summit Wellness Orange Beach, it gets more complicated. Compliance issues are a big deal in the medical space. You can't say necessarily specifically what you have. Even mentioning something like Zofran can put you on a list. Facebook, Google, you can't necessarily market any type of pharmaceuticals. But when you have a nurse practitioner on staff, it becomes harder. But the goal for every piece of content, especially for what they're doing now, is to build value in individual things that they can do as compliantly as possible. Keep in mind, whether you're a business owner, you're working for a company, whatever, if you're in a position to influence positive movement and positive content, keep in mind for this: clarity will win. Product pages win. Vertical walkthroughs win. Horizontal feature breakdowns win. That type of content, horizontal and vertical. You need both. Shorts, long, a little bit long form. Where can they be consumed? Google owns YouTube. And domain authority is big. I've got podcasts all over on that. Complex branding loses. Vague messaging loses. Overproduced fluff loses. Simplify. Attack. Bridge sales and marketing with simple product truths. I know it's tough. You are building a company, or you have a brand that has so many cool features or so many pretty things and what's its and who's its and everything else. With a shelter manufacturer that's building it from a sheet to an actual shelter, they're welding all over the place. They've got massive cranes and massive cool machinery and all the things in a massive shop, a big showroom, everything in between. But as they simplify, they're going to shorten the distance between their customers and themselves. Push for simplification and just push to shorten the distance between you and your customer. Make it a great day. Comment, like, subscribe.